Hey, this is Connor at Jason Dietsch Trailer Sales. Today we have a 48-foot all aluminum United dragster package trailer. Let's take a look. So if you start at the front of the trailer, we got a tapered nose. You're going to see a lot of these windows on the trailer. It's a 30 by 22 egress window, hydraulic jacks, and then we have a small air compressor compartment right here. This is going to be a 36-inch RV door, slide out step, and then we put a 20-foot and a 14-foot Thule awning on this trailer. Novacine lights, stereo. It's a triple 7K axles, 16-inch wheels, and then we put an upgraded clearance lights package. Midship turn signals, docking lights. Back of the trailer here, obviously 4-foot extended ramp flap, that's a must. Exterior rear wing, 3 loading lights, all your exterior upgraded clearance lights as well. You come inside the trailer, you got your aluminum rear barn doors, spare tire, strap rack, and then most importantly, you got 3 rows of airline track recessed on the floor and airline track on the walls. Happy jack bed, and then you have your dragster hoist, completely adjustable, aluminum recessed E-track on the walls. You got a sofa here, you can lay down into a bed. You got basically your catch-all tool tray. There's mounting points on the outside of the trailer too. Another overhead cabinet, basically a catch-all. RV refrigerator, same thing with the microwave, more cabinet space over here on the other side, more strap racks. And then obviously we get into our bathroom package here. Sink over here on the outside, water heater underneath, and your toilet and shower in here. And then obviously a great place to put a mattress up front. This trailer is completely insulated. It's got 2 AC units with heat, and then the air ducts on the ceiling, which are also in the front of the trailer. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Give us a call, check out our website. We'd love to sell you your next trailer.